This is day 4 of wearing the Ray-Ban Metas for 7 days straight. Today, we are in Potomac, Maryland. This morning we went on this crazy hike. I got bit by a ton of mosquitoes. We climbed up and down these huge rocks to see this waterfall. Then we went to some billionaire's art museum. I guess he just made it. We got to see this giant Yoshi with all these flowers on it. And now we're here. Well, we're not actually in Potomac. We're in Rockville, Maryland. But first, coffee. It's not coffee. That's the best winter melon milk tea I've ever had in my life. And croffles. We should have said croffle. Croffle. Today we are going to be using the Ray-Ban Metas to teach us a set of skills. One which we do not already have. These are going to get progressively harder until it gets to the final third boss. What we're going to have these glasses teach us how to do is how to fly a series of drones. We have here 2 follow drones and a standard drone. I don't know how to fly any of these before. Ruko did send me this one, so shouts to them. Haven't tested it yet, and we're gonna see how these drones fly and see if we can figure out how they work just using these meta glasses. Let's try this grayish DJI one. I don't even know what these are called. Oh, it says flip on the back, that's cool. Hey Meta, how do I fly this DJI flip drone?
To fly, follow these steps. Ensure your area is clear of obstacles like trees, power lines, and people to avoid accidents. 10 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
When it started taking off, the propeller started hitting my fingers. Next we have the hover. For this one, I've set the drone to orbit mode, and we're gonna see if it's safe or not. Hey Meta, is it safe to do a drone launch right where I'm standing?
No, it's not safe to launch a drone in this location. There are trees and power lines nearby, which could pose a hazard to the drone and people in the surrounding area. It's important to choose a safe and open area.
Do you see anywhere right now that would be a safer location to launch?
Yes, you can go to the field in front of you to launch. It appears to be a large, open area with grass and no obstacles in sight.
Thank you. Sweet! Let's do drone number 3.
To set up your Ruko U11 mini drone, download the Ruko U11 app, charge the batteries, and follow the in-app instructions or user manual for pairing and calibration. The drone comes with a complete kit, including a couple of batteries and a USB-C charger.
Okay, so now that I've set that up, literally all I had to do was plug in my phone to the controller and then turn on both of them, and it just connected. So you can see it's already synced and everything. Pretty cool. All right, now let's fly this bad boy. I already know that Meta wants me to fly in the middle of the field from that last test, and we'll explore this abandoned golf course. Okay, and there we are, look at that. Pretty cool. Now let's explore the park a little bit. The quality doesn't look too bad to me. Oh, it goes high too. Wow, there's even more. And that is drone number 3. Okay, so the glasses worked pretty well in order to teach us those skills, and now it's time for the roll of ruin. Yay. Let's see what punishment I have today. 4. Meta dog dare. I must do whatever dare Meta tells me to do, and I have no choice. Hey Meta, give me a dare.
Thinking of famous gymnastics moves, like in handstand or
in a goofy way. Okay, I can do that. Don't forget, this entire series is to support the fight against blindness. So if you've been waiting off on donating until now, even if it's just $1, it would be a really cool thing to do. I mean, I'm doing it a lot. Someone please join me. But yeah, it would just be really cool to see a future where a lot of different diseases, not just blindness, can be sort of prevented or even cured. So funding this research is a way of getting closer to that future. So if you're enjoying the series so far, thank you so much for watching until now. I haven't showed the password yet, so here it is. Yep, I've been doing this thing where when the password shows up, we can like move in front of it and behind it. So here's the password right here. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's back again. Oh, it's gone. It's back. Yeah, because you're not moving anywhere. But as you know, there is still one more segment remaining in this video. If you've already seen this so far, you know what this is.
Puppy Corner. I'm just kidding.
Question Corner, the part of the video where I answer your questions in the corner. And remember, you can submit as many questions as you want via the link in the description, and they're completely anonymous. I'm gonna have Ralph chime in on a couple of these as well, because they are general tech YouTuber questions, and he is a general tech YouTuber. Question number 1. What's the very first piece of tech you ever saved up for? This laptop is getting really heavy in my left arm. For me, that would be the GoPro Hero 4 Black. I got it for the ultra slow-mo for these parkour clips that I'm showing you right now.
Do you know me? I haven't paid for anything myself. I get everything for free. It would be the A6000. Wasn't even the A6000, I just lied. I never had the A6000. It was an A5100. It was between the 5100 and the 6000. And I chose the 5100 because it had a flip screen. So it would be that camera. And because of that, now I do all this tech review stuff.
If you had $1,000 for only tech gear, what would you buy? I'm gonna imagine it two ways. One is I have nothing, and two is I already have all the stuff I have right now.
If I had nothing, easily the Pocket 3. It's a perfect camera for me for photos, videos, aspiring YouTubers. Now if I have everything I already own, and I have $1,000 now, crypto. My buddy's going on a crypto. I'm trying to 360 camera. I don't own a 360 camera, and they always seem cool to. I used to own a 360 camera, and you can do a lot with it. You technically can film everything with just a 360 camera, and for some reason I don't have one. I'm a tech reviewer. I don't have a 360 camera, so easy 360 camera.
If I had nothing, I would probably just shoot these YouTube videos on my iPhone that I already have. And I know that kind of beats the prompt of saying, yeah, I have nothing, but we're gonna assume I have an iPhone because everyone has an iPhone.
Sorry, Android people. We know you guys exist.
No, I would get an iPhone. And then I would get a DJI Mic 1 or the Hollyland Lark mic and receivers, because audio is way more important than video. And then I would spend $400 on Ray-Ban Metas, because that's what my entire channel is about. Then I'd spend another $100 on lighting, and I would spend the last $400 on maybe a used ZVE10 so I could have an actual camera. And then if I could choose anything to buy right now, it would probably be even Reality G1s and the holiday AI glasses, just so I could review them for this channel. I probably will get them and show you them. Question number 3, what got you into smart glasses? You are the one creator I've seen who seems really interested in smart glasses in general, not just for content creation. Honestly, I've told this story a couple times, but it was my friend in San Francisco. She let me borrow her Ray-Ban Metas shortly after they came out, and I was like, whoa, I need these. But the real reason that I got really into smart glasses is because I've gone through a lot of minimalist phases where I want to use less things. And when you use smart glasses, you can text people and call people and ask AI questions and take videos and photos without having to take your phone out. I like the minimalist aspect of smart glasses, and that will increase even more with in-lens displays coming soon. If you appreciate me holding this heavy laptop in my left hand for this entire section, please subscribe and donate $1 if you can. But if not, you can just be a taker and enter the giveaway without donating any money. I'm just kidding. That's okay. One day you'll have enough money to donate $1. I just stop. Thanks so much for watching. Good night.